If you want to know how to stop a cat from spraying, the first step is to take your pet to a veterinarian to rule out a urinary tract infection or other medical problems. Neutering or spaying your feline is the most effective way to eliminate territorial marking if they are not already fixed. To stop cat urine marking at home, thoroughly clean all previously sprayed areas with an enzymatic cleaner because normal soaps leave scent traces that attract them back. You can also prevent a cat from spraying by adding more litter boxes around the house and keeping them extremely clean. Reduce stress by using synthetic pheromone diffusers in rooms where your pet spends most of their time. If outdoor animals are triggering this behavior, close the blinds or use motion-activated sprinklers to keep stray cats away from your windows. Creating a calm environment and sticking to a regular routine will help stop your cat from marking inside your home.